Hi, Chef Jay here.
Today I'll be preparing Tamago Don. This simple yet satisfying Japanese rice bowl with egg has a taste you will love. The link to the full recipe is in the description. You will need 1 onion, 1/2 of scallion, 3 eggs, 1/2 cup of water, 2 tablespoons of mirin, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1/2 teaspoon of kombu dashi powder, 2 servings of cooked rice. Step 1. Slice the onion thinly and chop the scallion. Step 2. In a small bowl, crack the 3 eggs and beat. Step 3. Add water, mirin, soy sauce, dashi powder, and sliced onion in a medium frying pan, and boil over medium heat. Step 4. Reduce the heat to low and simmer for 5 minutes, or until the onion becomes tender. Step 5. Gently pour the beaten egg into the pan and continue to cook until the eggs are cooked through. Put the cooked rice in a bowl and place the egg mixture on top. Add chopped scallions as a garnish. I hope you enjoy this delicious combination of fluffy eggs on top of rice for lunch or dinner. Also, sign up for my weekly newsletter and receive a free vegetarian recipe ebook. Go to chefjcooks.com/en/newsletter.
Thanks for watching, and please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.